You do not have to rely solely on your 9-to-5 salary to qualify for a mortgage, because the bank will actually let you use other people's money to boost your income. If you are buying a multi-unit property or a home with a legal rental suite, the lender will count 75% of the projected market rent as your own personal income. This is a massive advantage because that extra $1,000 or $2,000 a month can drastically lower your debt-to-income ratio and allow you to qualify for a much higher purchase price. Most buyers think they have to find a house they can afford on their own, but savvy buyers look for properties that help pay for themselves from day one. The appraiser will simply look at comparable rentals in the area to determine the fair market rent, and that figure is added directly to your qualifying power. This strategy is the fastest way to bridge the gap between the house you can currently afford and the house you actually want to live in. It allows you to build equity in a more expensive asset while your tenants cover a significant portion of the monthly mortgage payment for you. Visit https://www.google.com, search q=changemyrates.com today so we can run the numbers and see how much a rental unit can increase your home buying budget right now.